Alright, so look, I'm not a food critic or anything, but I'm kind of chunky, and I kind of like food. And right now I'm at PAX East, and I just chose out of all the food trucks that they had, one food truck, right? Paisani's, right? Here's a QR code. Pretty dope. The reason why I'm making this video, because I already took a bite. I don't care what y'all think. I took a bite. Bam! Look at that thing! What the... I don't know what they put in this thing. I got a buffalo chicken with ranch on it. Oh. Heaven. Oh, so good. I just want to give him a shout out. Give him a follow. Paisani's. Friends, him and the boy do it together. It's amazing. It's a food truck. I want more. I'm not even done.